guys, day 2. Don't mind the section I'm in, a little weird, but it's a little crappy weather today. It's like high 60s, low 70s, you know what I'm saying? So we're like going out today instead of swimming. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I might be doing the same thing. But yeah, I got this little Myrtle Beach shirt. Chat, we stopped at a Funko Pop store. Your boy got 3 Funko Pops. We got Klay Thompson, Rocky Balboa, and Bruce Lee. Alright chat, right now, down at the boardwalk. Had to go hit some eats maybe. Take a look at the truck. About to get some eats, maybe go to an arcade they're talking about. What is up, chat? Where are we at?
We're at the arcade.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Better, you know what I'm saying? Some prizes, maybe shoot some pictures. We're in a dinosaur machine right now. Bing, 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 bing. There's my Madre. Bro, chat, we're in this zombie shooter. We got MP7s up here. Alright. Just got back from the arcade. Got a couple little prizes we'll show you at the hotel. I'm gonna hit up some Kirk's ice cream. Couldn't think of it. I got vanilla. She got chocolate fudge.
No, chocolate peanut butter.
Chocolate peanut butter. She got chocolate peanut butter and he got a cup of coffee.
You didn't get a cup of coffee.
Now, we're heading back to the hotel. As you can see. Wasabi! Alright chat, let's take a look at this card that I made. Hashtag Julian. It's the vacation nickname. Team RZ came with it. Right, we got the green rims. Black body. The pink. These light up. Pink. FTC for flight team crew. Go over here, we got Rusty's. If you know, you know. Money sign here and there. Year of 2026. Gamer tag 67. Now let's take a look at what I want at the arcade. Come over here. This is Bella's and me. I don't care about that. We got, let's get a little drum roll going. Rick and Morty keychain. Bouncy ball. Not that bouncy. 2 more bouncy balls. Again, not that bouncy. Alright, come over here. Go on. No, I don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, this one's taped too. It's pickle. It looks like a little pickle from Rick and Morty. I'm lucky a Rick and Morty casual. Just remember it from Fortnite, you know what I'm saying? When it's like this, it's like It's the Rick dance. It's the Rick dance.
Ha! Gay!
Hit up a couple shops. Got this shirt. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man, I'm gonna just get 1 shirt. But then my stepdad hit me up. I was like, yo, there's a BOGO deal. Buy 1, get 1 free, in case you didn't know. We got this. So, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got that. For reals. I'm done. That's really it.